India's first to use the laser technology for PC tool, now delivering to the world.
A good footfall of international customers, just as we were hoping at the show.
Tools that are made in India and made for the world.
Shaping the tools that shape our today and tomorrow.
Manar Tools, precision, perfection, performance.